of Maree, and the only servo in town's got a broken Bowser. So there's a line as far as the eye can see. People waiting for fuel. About to head up the Birdsville track. Wish me luck. Yeah.
You guys are good? Oh, no worries, I'll leave you to it. Take it easy.
Big Red tonight and camp out in the desert, ready for the crossing tomorrow, and I'm quietly shitting my pants. So bike's been cleaned down, all the filters have been done, everything's been checked, the water's good, food's good. I don't know what else to say. Hopefully the next time you hear from me will be on the other side of the Simpson, so fingers crossed. July, and I'm just getting in the Simpson Desert. Bottom of this dune's pretty steep and soft, so I've just opted to carry my gear up. Don't want to get hurt on day one early. Thought I'd come out here and get the sunrise. So just got the bike set up there at the top of the dune. Hot lunch is going. Just got a brew going down here, get a coffee into me. And a Barocca. We'll watch the sunrise. Look at these vast openings. Got 2 days ahead of me. Hope I can keep it upright. Solo moto, heading west on the QA line to Popple's Corner, receiving, over.
Yeah, single vehicle, eastbound, cresting just after Q10.
Roger that, I should meet you en route, over.
Copy that.
Coffee to brew. This is how I start the morning. See, there's bloody ice. There's ice inside. There's ice on my tent. That's great. You see that? this dune to grab a drink. Just realised my last litre and a half of water has gone missing. The last litre and a half of water with me. Still morning, so it's still cool. I'm just going to have to backtrack and get it. I'm not moving forward without water. This is day 3 of riding through the Simpson. So far today I've managed to get another 60 k's. And today has been the hardest yet. The dunes have just been relentless. I've had to push my bike up quite a few and unload all my gear and walk it up. Not so much that they're tall, and it's just that the sand is deep and chopped up, and there's a lot of turns at the bottom of the dune, so it's hard to keep pace, especially with a heavily fully loaded bike. I've still got, I don't know how far to get to Dalhousie, but I'm just wrecked. Four-wheel drive passed before and gave me 2 eggs to eat, and that was like a godsend because that protein just hit me up. A good 30 k's. Now I think I'm back to muesli bars and ready to eat meals, and they're just not the best source of protein. It's hot now. Anyway, I'll have a break and keep going. No other choice, is there?